வரட்டும். இப்போ என்ன ஆடியோ கேட்குதுன்னு பாருங்கள். கொடுத்து நீங்கள் ரெஃப்ரெஷ் பண்ணுங்கள். இது வந்துருச்சு லைவில். இப்போ ஆல்ரெடி என்ன கேட்டிருக்குன்னு தெரியணும். ஹலோ, குட் மார்னிங் டு எவ்ரிவன். It's my great pleasure to invite you all for this first 5 days national level faculty development program. On LabVIEW, faculty development program on latex using overview. Is my screen visible? எனக்கு ஏன் ஸ்க்ரீன் விசிபிள் ஆகவில்லை? Can everyone see in my screen? Right. So I once again welcome everyone for this 5 days national level faculty development program on writing research articles in latex using overleaf. So first of all, before going into this latex overleaf, I will just tell you how to go into this overleaf. So this overleaf is an open source software available, or we can say as an online editor or cloud editor software for practicing your latex programming. So to go to this overleaf, first you can go to this Google and you can type it as overleaf. So once you have given this overleaf, the first output or the first search engine will give you like www.overleaf.com. So once you click on this overleaf.com, it will ask you for sign up with Google or sign up with Orchid or your email ID or your password. So it is always prefer to get sign up with your Google. Okay. So stop streaming.
Capture la serial. Streaming stop பண்ணிட்டீங்களா?
So now you can log in with your email ID. You can use your personal email ID or your official email ID. So it will ask for your details. You can just log in, and once you log in, you will get a left hand side the menu for the overleaf. So there we have new projects, all projects, your project shared with you and everything. So click on this new project, and there you have various other formats like blank project, example, upload, import from GetItup. If you have any template you want to prefer, you can choose that template. So today I am just going to show you how to start using your, or how to create your first latex code by overleaf. So click on this blank project. So it will ask for the name. So you can say like whatever name you prefer, you can keep it as it is. But as usual, you are not supposed to start with a numerical value. You have to start with an alphabetical value. Just give create. So once the index latex window is created in overleaf, you can see a new page which has 4 windows. Like on the left hand side you have menu window, below that you have file outline, the in between is your code editor, and on the right hand side is your output window. Okay. So the first and foremost, the file whatever you created, it will have a text file called main.txt. So you can rename this text according to your requirement. Like if you are preparing for a thesis, you can do for the chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, something like that you can create, and all the chapters you can append later. So this is absolutely for your convenience. And if you are uploading any images or any tables or any other documents, those documents will be seen here. That is the menu file. The below is called something called file outline. So this file outline will have the file details, that is whatever document you are preparing, this document details will be given here. So let me explain this when we are doing the next task, like when we go to sections and other details. So in the right hand side, the between page which is having with the white background with the line numbers is the major window. We call it as a code editor. So this code editor is where you are going to type your LaTeX code. So you can, if you are comfortable with the LaTeX, you can directly start writing, or if you are not comfortable with it, LaTeX, so the first and foremost line must be your document type. So just type /document class. It will ask for whether you are going to write an article or a book or a letter or a report. So I am selecting an article. So once you have selected the type of document, you are going to start writing your document. So you have to give a begin. The document is called begin document. So once you have given this begin document, automatically that document has an end document. It will be created by default. So you don't want to create anything. So whatever you are writing or you are coding, your equations, your table, your figure must come between this begin document and end document. So let me write like this is my first article in LaTeX overleaf. So once you have done this, you need to right now you need to execute this program and check whether what you have expected is obtained there. So you have to give compile. So once you have given compile, it will automatically do the compile process and it will show you the output here. So this is my first article in the LaTeX overleaf. Okay, right. So this is just an article or just to one line word I have made it here. If you want to make a heading or subtitles like that, you have to further go into the depth of this LaTeX. So let us write one heading like introduction. So I am using a technical word called section. So I will write introduction. Right. So in introduction you want to write the character like this is day 1 of 5 days national development program on LaTeX. So something like that, you can write some blah 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 whatever document. So once you run this code, you can see very well like the number in 1 is given introduction. This is the day 1 of 5 days national development program on LaTeX. So this is how you are going to give the sections. So we can limit that sections into, like I have 1, I can give 1.1, so something like that. So what you have to give is something called subsection. So subsection is like I am giving a term called background. So again you can recompile this and you can check it is named as numbered as 1.1. So after this also again you want to give something called subheadings. So we can go like subsection. History. So again you can compile like this. So this is called as section levels. So you can, whatever the section name you want, you can fix, or whatever number you want you can do, but you can go only till 3 headings. Like first is your heading, the second is your subheading, then next is your another subsection. Below this 3 levels you cannot go in this LaTeX software. So this is what is called as section levels. So next we have like something called as table of contents. So what you need to do is table of content must be given the very next line of begin document. So the syntax is table of contents. So this only one instruction, we don't have any instructions below that.
நம்மளுக்கு இப்படி தான் தெரியுது, ரொம்ப சின்னதாக தெரியுது, இல்லை படிக்க முடியல. இது ஓகே, இந்த ஃபாண்ட் வந்து படிக்க முடியுது, அது ஜூம் பண்ணால் கூட இவ்வளோ தான் வருது. என்ன பண்ண எப்படி பார்க்க முடியுதா?
இல்லை இந்த ஸ்க்ரீனை இப்படி அப்படியே மூவ் பண்ணிக்கணும் அவ்வளோதான்.
அப்படி பண்ணணும். அது நம்ம ப்ராக்டிஸில் தெரியணும்.
இப்படி பண்ணிக்கணும்.
அவங்களுக்கு தெரியவே தெரியாத மாதிரி ஆகிடும். ஏதோ இருக்கிறது மாதிரி தெரியுது, படிக்க முடியல. இது ஓகே, இதோட ரியல் கண்டென்ட் இதுதான் அவங்களுக்கு எப்படி மாறுதுன்னு தெரியுது. இது மாறுது
இது நான் தான் இந்த ஸ்க்ரீனை இப்படி அப்படியே வச்சு இப்போ காட்டணும்.
அந்த மாதிரி
அப்படி தான் பண்ண முடியும்.
அதுதான் சொல்கிறேன்.
சரி, ஸ்டாப் ஸ்ட்ரீமிங் பண்ணிட்டுமா?
அது ப்ராக்டிஸில் வந்துடும் அவங்களுக்கு. நாம்